Hey, so I wanted to make a video of a project I'm working on. Ooh, I could do it up here. So I was doing some corrosion control in this dryer I'm working on, and it started coming out really good. And I've never used this product before. I just read about it, and it started working so good. I was like, I should videotape this. So this is it's made by Clean Strip. They got it for concrete, I guess, and metal prep, but it does say rust removal and surface prep, and I got it for the rust removal portion. Let's see if we can get in here. See how this rust is right here? This whole thing was like covered in it. This was spots of it, but this was covered completely like that. What I did is I just got a chip brush. These are like, I think this one is 2 inches, for like 70 cents at Home Depot. They say, is it Home Depot? Yeah, Harbor Freight I meant. They say it's 69 cents, but they charge an extra penny because they don't have any, so they round it up. And anyways, this is a little can I had laying around, so I poured just a little bit of that. And again, this is just a chip brush, the cheapest one. Oh, this is a really good example. See, it started just like eating the rust off. And I was gonna get an Brillo pad, just a plastic type one, and scrub it down, but I don't have any gloves. I just can't believe how it's just eating. The rust is like dissolving. And I was looking at like rust conversion cans and like, you know, Rust-Oleum and stuff. Those are like $8 a can out on sale, and I think this was like around $16. So for the price of, what is this, like looks like a gallon. Yeah, it says 1 gallon, and you're only using that much at a time. And again, this is untreated, and this is kind of what it all looked like. Maybe I'll show you. It takes it like 10 minutes to kind of do its work, but I put like zero effort into it, and I didn't have any high expectations for it. So here it works pretty quick on this because this is really light. And this is from the factory. They forget to paint these sometimes. That's why you get this rust in here. And this one looked like it was involved and left outside and got mud on it and stuff. But you can almost see it coming off and looking cleaner already. It does kind of smell a little bit, but not bad. Whoops. Shoot, I got it on my hand. I should clean it off. I don't know how toxic it is. I'm going to go wipe it off my hands and be right back because I bumped a little bit there. So if it starts eating a hole in my hand, I'll let you know. Okay, I put on some gloves and I washed my hand. Good news, it didn't feel like it's burning at all. Now, you saw what this looked like. It's already cleaned it up by itself, and I haven't done anything. I had to cut it short because they got it on me. I should have brought a rag out. Anyways, I pick up, this is just 1/4 of a sheet. You can buy a box of these Brillo pads on Amazon pretty cheap. I think that's where I got it from. Wow, that is pretty good. I don't know if it's coming up on camera very good. That's like, looks like I hit it with a wire wheel or something. It's getting so clean. Oh, so I can feel that. If I were to wipe that off, it'd look really good. And hopefully you remember what it looked like on the camera. It looked like that. All over here, that's how this all was. This wall, I haven't wiped it down or anything. It had little spots of rust all over it, and it's all gone. So I'm pretty impressed. I'll show you. I'm smart enough to wear safety goggles because I've gotten too much stuff in my eyes over the history. It's not, said that it doesn't feel good, but, and I don't know how toxic it is, so I would recommend wearing gloves. And again, I wasn't really planning on making this, but it's working so good. What I'll do is I'm going to hit it with this Brillo pad. I almost wonder if I just leave it, if it would keep working by itself, because I didn't really scrub that hard on this side. It's already, here you can see it was like that, but worse. And this is completely gone here. That's just crazy. So anyways, I'll finish the job and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, it came out pretty good. I hosed it off. And the wall is all gone. Most of it's gone here. There's a couple of really, must have been really pitted pretty bad in a couple of spots. But like here, this looked like that. It was all rusty. Here it's all pretty much gone. This side came out really good. But this just had spots all over it. And there's just these really thick things. And I'm wondering if I brushed it on, just let it sit longer. It almost felt like I didn't really have to scrub, but it speeded it up. But it was just like pretty effortless. And it just came out really good. I feel confident it probably converted this. And you know, the goal was to get the rust off of it, and then gonna let it dry, and then just hit it with some paint, because this is the inside. Oh, I wonder how these turned out. These things always rust up real bad. Oh, that's kind of cool. I didn't even wash it off with the hose. But you know, those usually look really rusty, and I painted over it. And look, it took it off. I'm gonna do these top here, but anyways, pretty impressed with that, and thought I'd just share that knowledge with anybody out there working on a rust project. Anyways, you have a great day, and thanks for watching.